Bar connection design in RFEM. So you need to go to add modulars, connections, RF joints. So I have all these connections, and I don't want to, like, if I open this one, so I don't want to alter or just change or delete these connections, because I'm going to use them to detail, because I want to print this DXF. So I need to go to File. I will add a new case. You can see I have case number 1 to 9, so I'll add number 10. All right, and so after that, I'll go to nodes. I want to pick this point. So you can just pick another point, because there are several nodes there, and then okay. So I will use a continuous member. So M721, M721 and 727, these are continuous member. So 721 is the main, 727 is continuous. So I want to connect to M21. This is a connected member. So I will have to turn this off, and the other one inactive. Right. Now if I go to geometry, I can change, I want 3. I'll change here to 3. And also connected member, and change to 3. I can increase this one to 6. Also for main, I can increase to 6. Okay, now then I will calculate. So you need to add the load cases and calculate. So it's okay, and just the next time you can just save, and then you can print the design summary, and you can print the drawing and export it in the form of DXF. Okay, so to export the drawing, you go to graphic, the results, then graphic, then export DXF. So you can export this detail in the form of DXF. You can watch, if you want, the Y view, the other side, and then the other view, the 3D view. So you can export it. Then now you can just go again and new case number 11, then just repeat the process. Now this time you can pick main members only. Go to node. So I will pick this member there. Okay, so this one, just turn it off, active. Yes, this is the main member. You can change this, or just leave it like that. I can just change this one to 3, because I want consistency, and calculate. It's very good to have consistency, because of the people working on site. They'll be having an easier job to understand drawings which have similarity. So again, I will save. So the next time I open, I can just print all of these, the calculation and the drawings. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.